are shaking. Wow. Look at him go. Big Daddy. That's who we call Big Daddy Woodpecker. I'm gonna do something. Caw! Caw, caw, caw! Caw! Doesn't even faze him. Caw, caw, caw! It's okay, Woodpecker. Let's see what we can do. He's gonna stay there even with me outside. That's crazy. It's the biggest one I've ever seen. Oh, he's gonna fly. Man, he's gorgeous. Come on, buddy. Come out where I can see ya. Oh, here comes the sun. Hi, pretty woodpecker. What you doing? Just trying to get him to move. There he goes. Hi, buddy. You're pretty. Look how pretty you are, mister. Oh, my goodness. Look at him just fling that shit. Holy cow. You're pretty, Mr. Woodpecker. Mr. Big Daddy, look at you. Oh, you a pretty guy. Oh, he's watching the birds fly. Oh, buddy came. Oh, and he's gone.